gosh! Look!
What is?
Look, they're filling the hole with what is that?
Is it glue gun or
Yeah.
stick or what? Why she's
looks ugly.
Yeah.
Oops. Uh-oh.
Oops. This is trouble.
Looks like there's
Let's
a trap on the road.
Yeah.
Gotta watch out for those.
Yeah. Look around before you drive.
Okay, so now we're playing
it looks
a little bit
professional.
of frisky business with the hole there. Okay. Next, you release spray. Okay. Glue sticks.
Glue sticks.
Set them on fire, as you do.
Fire.
Yeah. Dun, dun. What song is that?
I don't remember.
Okay. So now we're getting some glue all over the place. This looks really gross.
I like it for some reason. It's satisfying for me.
It's a little satisfying.
Yeah.
Guys, let us know. Is it satisfying?
Yeah. But you are not. So, what is this section for?
I don't know, actually.
Cool it down. Oh! Nice.
Now we have a nice mold of our hole.
Yeah, and
Those are expensive.
they can make some miniature with this, you know.
They could, you're right,
Some
you're right.
rock or something. But we need to know for sure what it's gonna be. Are they gonna cover that pothole or not?
It looks like a mini sculpture of a mountain right now.
That's what
That
I'm
would be
saying.
cooler.
Yeah.
That'd be cooler.
Yeah, that would be cool.
We need to think
yeah.
outside the box. Think outside the hole for a second here. Get your head out of the hole.
Cement.
Okay, adding some cement. Nice cement. Ooh. Ooh. I wonder what it tastes like.
Okay. Boom. Boom. And now it's perfectly.
Oh!
It's
Pretty good, pretty good.
Of course.
Looks nice. Spray it down. Looks like it's gonna be a rainbow. Are we gonna make it a rainbow? We better make a rainbow.
No. It's the technique like they do in the planets or something.
Ah, but not as good.
Yes.
Okay.
Come on. Be better. Do better. Yeah.
It's all right. It's all right. Let's see the next pothole. The next hole.
Yeah. Wow.
Whoa, that's a big hole.
This looks professional.
That hole has seen some action.
This is. Oh, it's a winter time.
Okay.
So, and what is this burner for? Oh, to melt the snow and the ice in this pothole. Okay.
Okay.
I love what I see.
So we're getting the ice out there, breaking it down. Break it down now, y'all. All right. So
What is it?
now he's gonna make the mold, as the other guy did. Got some sand.
No way.
That's gonna be a huge mold, but like, how is he allowed to do this? The cars are literally like 2 feet away from him.
Yeah, it's for sure not the. I don't know, some
The safest
government.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of, it's just a random fighting crafters. Here.
Take it into their own hands.
Yeah.
They're basically Batman, but for
Yeah.
for holes in the road.
Oh boy.
If you found a pothole in your community that was really bothering people and it was there for a long time,
Yep.
would you use your special powers of repairing to go fix it?
Maybe. I wouldn't do it. I would do it more practical, in a practical way. Not that pretty as they trying to.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, exactly. Just fill it up and that's
Yes,
it. Yeah.
yes. Because generally, I don't know.
We can't all be artists like 5-minute crafters.
Yes, but another thing, you know, it's a good thing to attract the attention on it. On
Yeah.
The holes in the road and everything. Why not? I mean,
Yeah, true.
I'm not blaming, only supporting.
This is a little weird. I don't know how I feel about this design, but
Design itself could be better, to be honest. You know what I'm worried about?
I feel like you could have just made it a little bit nicer.
I'm worried that it will not handle a lot, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Like a couple cars will go over it and
Yeah.
that's it. Like
Yeah.
they didn't even drive over it. Oh, okay. All right, it handled a bit. Oh no, not my electric
Never.
scooter.
Oh, it's similar to the previous one.
It's like
right?
almost
Yeah.
the same hole.
Yeah, but
Thoroughly
I can
clean.
see difference there.
Okay.
Can you imagine they use just one hole for all their crafts? they created that thing with the rainbow things.
Oh yeah.
And they destroyed fully to film another thing.
Oh no.
Can you imagine it?
Villains.
I hope no.
I hope no too.
So
Guys, don't make new potholes for 5-minute craft videos. That is the lesson.
maybe it's a different hole.
I think it's a different hole.
Yeah, hopefully. So what do you think, guys? Let us know.
Okay, Gibson.
Mixy mix.
Mixity mix.
So,
Pourity pour.
So to get a shape again, it's another technique.
Imagine waiting on the side of the road for an hour for Gibson to dry. Imagine having Gibson in your bag.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah?
Yeah, for sure. I have 2 of them every time, just in case, you know.
Potholes.
Pothole.
Just in case you have to fill a hole.
Yeah.
Need some Gibson.
Gibson everywhere.
Okay. I didn't know you were so passionate about Gibson. Okay, we got a nice mold of our thing now. What are we gonna do with it?
Hey.
We're painting. But why does the bottom have to be painted? We're not gonna see that. We're not gonna see that part.
For some
For the ants that can crawl through. Yeah.
Exactly. They're like, wow, such a
It's
beautiful.
amazing. It's like the sky.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
This is some lovely painting work. Yeah.
Lovely. But okay. What is gonna be? What you would draw there?
What would I draw there?
Yeah.
I would draw a self-portrait.
Interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
What
No
would
judging.
What would you draw?
I don't know what exactly, but for sure I will do something 3D, you know, thing when you can see something like a
Coming out of the
rainbow,
yeah,
or
that's
something.
cool. That's cool.
Yeah. I saw many things draws like so and it looks awesome. So I think it's a suitable place for it. Oh, they actually trying to do something.
This is nice. This is much nicer than the other 2 we saw so far. A lot of effort, a lot of love put into this one.
Good job.
A weird
Yeah.
worm coming out of the ground. Nice.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like.
Imagine he goes over it and it smudges. Oh no! Not while I'm driving my mini thingy.
Yeah.
Now we gotta clean it out, foil it up.
Okay.
I wonder what we're gonna do next. Oh, this is a little faster method.
Yeah.
It's not
I
probably
like-
as accurate, but
Anyway, I think she could make it better. To be honest, I mean to press it better, but it's not bad.
yeah.
Not bad at
For efficiency's sake, this is more realistic for me. Wow.
Oh wow, I love it already
That's
because
cool.
it's epoxy resin.
Yeah.
That's what I appreciate more for filling the holes. Potholes.
Just to clarify, potholes.
Potholes, yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
So many
This is beautiful.
Yeah. Oh. No, they put so many efforts to show this frame for us, just for information. And the thought was, from that, it was an actual draw. They made it additionally on another piece of glass.
It's okay.
Yeah, if I
This
guess
is 5 minute
everybody
craft.
knows.
You can't give them too much credit. It's okay. Not right now. I don't even know what I'm processing right now.
Okay, wow. So now she will draw another layer and layer after layer, and you will get the
Big fish.
big fish and
3D fish.
3D fish. Yeah, I think so. I hope so.
Me too.
Surprise me. You need to.
Okay.
Oh,
It is pretty.
yeah.
Pretty lame. Just kidding.
Look at you.
This is so much effort. This,
Yeah.
I don't know
You
if I
need to
have
be
the
an
effort for
artist.
this. Yes. No.
First of all.
Wow, this is actually really impressive.
Nice. Oh, there are more of them. There are 3 fishes.
3 fishies.
Wow, that looks amazing. This looks.
This is the best
Freaking
pothole thing I've ever seen
Yeah.
filled.
Unbelievable. This is a job.
Yep, this is it. This is how it's supposed to be.
I think this is my favorite one.
This is my favorite one too. Excellent work.
Yeah, wow. Christ. So,
Yay.
yeah, the cement ground could be made better.
Yeah.
Maybe painted in the blue as well.
It'd be
but
nice, but give us more.
More reactions.
Right now.
Please.
Please.